Next on the list in the materials and resource credit category is purchasing, facility maintenance and renovation. This credit applies to the following categories for 1 to 2 points. The intent is to reduce the environmental harm from materials used in building renovations. The thinking behind this is as follows. Purchasing of durable and long-lasting items, whether for routine major or major renovations, lengthen the replacement cycle, therefore reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills and incinerations, as well as saving money. Products and materials with sustainable attributes can also increase the healthfulness and longevity of the building. Building owners may avoid additional materials-based resource use altogether by foregoing renovation projects and by reusing existing furniture. And this credit builds on the environmental preferable purchasing policy established for MR prerequisite facility maintenance and renovation. There are no specific criteria for the establishment period. For the performance period, there are 3 options to comply with, each with their own criteria. Option 1, products and materials for 1 point. And or option number 2, furniture for 1 point. Or option number 3, no alterations or furniture purchasing for 1 point. Option 1, products and materials, 1 point. Purchase at least 50% by cost of the total maintenance and renovation materials that meet at least one of the following criteria. Recycled content. Wood products that are FSC approved. Bio-based materials. Materials reuse. Products with extended producer responsibility, they're valued at 50% of the cost. Products that are certified at Green Screen version 1.2 benchmark. Cradle-to-cradle certified products. Or alternative compliance parts, reach optimization products. Products with product manufacturer supply chain optimization. Low emission of volatile organic compound products. Products with VOC content requirements for wet applied products. And products with low emissions of formaldehyde, or any of the USGBC approved programs. Now it's worthy to note that for credit achievement calculation, products sourced within 100 miles of the project site are valued at 200% of their base contributing cost. Option 2, furniture for 1 point, purchase at least 75% by cost of the total furniture and furnishings that meet one or more of the following criteria. Very similar. Recycled content, wood products that are by the FSC approved, bio-based materials, products with materials reuse or extended producer responsibility, products with Green Screen version 1.2 benchmark, cradle-to-cradle certified, and the alternative compliance part, reach optimization. Again, we see the product manufacturer supply chain optimization, low emission of volatile organic compounds, and under USGBC approved program. Again, for credit achievement calculators, products sourced within 100 miles of the project site are valued at 200% of their base contributing cost. Option number 3, no alterations or furniture purchasing, 1 point. And here make no alterations to the project space and do not purchase any furniture. Now let's put this all together into the required documentation. So for option 1, provide the total cost of materials and products for base building and the site FMR activities, as well as a list of compliant materials and product purchases, and documentation verifying that the purchases meet the criteria. For option number 2, similarly, but then provide the total cost of materials and products for furniture and furnishing only, as well as documentation of the verifying purchases. And for option 3, maybe as expected, documentation that demonstrate that no maintenance or renovation activities occurred during the performance period. Exemplary performance is only available for option 1. Here, purchase at least 95% of the materials for facility alterations and additions that meet the credit requirements.